Before I started using Pear Suite, it was a guessing game. Excel sheets, Google Sheets, internal processes. There was definitely a aha moment where we decided, just different colleagues, where something has to change. There's a better way of doing things. We need to not reinvent the wheel, but I know that there's something that exists. My name is Nora Zaragoza-Llanez. I oversee several board advisory committees. So I am the Health Subcommittee Co-Chair at the Sierra Health Foundation. I also oversee or act more as a consultant for CHW work and what that looks like, the standards, especially class standards in California. And currently the role that I'm now taking is the Valley Watch Network hotline program manager. I first heard about Pear Suite during a collaborative regional meeting. Immediately after we started using Pear Suite, the guessing game was over. The technical assistance is unmatched. I mean, the attention to detail and just the follow-ups. Pear Suite has changed my understanding about just the healthcare system. It's daunting. And having experts essentially, but through lived experience, it definitely gives me hope, and it definitely empowers me to continue to ask the questions and to do more policy advocacy in regards to certain things that still need to be changed.